Mga idol at kabayan, super good news! May bagong dating mula sa bansang Turkey. Fresh na fresh at brand new pa. Alam nyo ba kung ano ang mga ito? Tama, ito ang mga T-129B attack helicopter na nabili pa ng bansa sa Turkish Aerospace Industries. Ito na ay kalawang batch ng delivery ng mga nasabing helicopter. Ang mga dambuhalang A400M ng Turkish Air Force ay dala ang dalawang T-129B at iba pang mga kagamitan para sa logistics support at posibleng maging ang mga kinakailangang armas at ammunition. Ang tanong, ilan na ba ang T-129B attack helicopter ng Pilipinas? Alamin, ito ang balitang ating pag-uusapan dito lang sa Good News Philippines. Huwag kalimutang i-like ang video, mag-subscribe, mabilis lang ito, promise! Maagang pamasko ang hatid ng bansang Turkey sa ating mga Pilipino. Alam niyo ba kung bakit, mga idol at kabayan? Dahil bago matapos ang taong 2022, may dumating na namang bagong mga attack helicopter sa Pilipinas. Dalawang dambuhalang mga eroplano ng Turkish Air Force kahapon. Ika-24 ng Nobyembre taong kasalukuyan ang lumapag sa bansa. Lumipad mula Turkey ang dalawang A400 na may flight number TUA F541 at TUA 542 patungong Manas International Airport sa Kyrgyzstan at pagkatapos ay tumungo na ito sa Clark Air Base Pampanga sa Pilipinas. Ayon sa flight data, dala ng dalawang Airbus A400M ng Turkish Air Force ang pangalawang batch na binubuo ng dalawa pang brand new na T-129B attack helicopter na gawa ng Turkish Aerospace Industries. Mga spare parts at iba pang kinakailangan ng dalawang attack helicopter para maging operational at combat ready. Ang paraan ng Turkish Aerospace Industries sa pag-deliver ng mga karagdagang T-129B ay haling tulad sa kanilang pag-deliver din ng naunang dalawang T-129B attack helicopter noong ika-9 ng Marso taong kasalukuyan. Sa ngayon, meron na ang Pilipinas ng 4 na T-129B attack helicopter sa 6 na nabili nito sa bansang Turkey. Inaasahan na ang kasunod na delivery ng dalawa pang natitirang mga T-129B attack helicopter ay sa Pebrero o sa unang quarter ng taong 2023. Nagkakahalaga ang 6 na mga helicopter ng 13.7 billion peso, kung saan kasama na rin ang logistics support, training ng mga piloto at crew sa bansang Turkey. Siyempre, hindi natin makakalimutan na magpasalamat sa dating Pangulong Duterte at dating Secretary of National Defense Lorenzana dahil natupad na materialize na makuha natin ang isa sa maituturing na dedicated attack helicopter ngayon sa mundo. Ano ba ang kakayahan ng isang T-129B attack helicopter at bakit dapat kabahan at matakot dito ang isang kalaban? Ang T-129B attack ay kayang i-operate sa araw man o gabi. Meron itong laser range finder o designator. Meron itong 4 na hard points na pwedeng lagyan ng mga armas na umaabot sa 1,200 kilograms. Pwede itong magdala ng anti-tank guided missile, air-to-air missiles, 70mm rockets at 70mm guided rockets. At kung inyong mapapansin, meron na rin itong 20mm 3-barrel gun system na nakakabit sa harapan ng nasabing helicopter. Hindi lang yan, meron itong countermeasure technology bilang pangdepensa. Meron itong countermeasure dispensing system, missile warning system, laser warning system, radio frequency jammer, radar warning receiver at infrared countermeasures. Meron itong maximum na bilis na umaabot sa 278 km per hour at kaya nitong abutin ang layo na 561 km hanggang 1,000 km. Plano pa ng Philippine Air Force na dagdagan ang mga T-129B attack helicopter ng 6 pa sa hinaharap.
We'll now proceed to the presentation of the newly procured PMP equipment. I may request Major General Ronaldo Olay, the Director for Logistics and Chairman of the NHQ PIDS and Awards Committee.
May I respectfully present to you the newly procured PNP equipment sourced under the PNP's Capability Enhancement Programs 2019, 2021, and 2022 with a total contract price of 761,219,000 pesos and 682 pesos. The various equipment were successfully procured by the National Headquarters Bids and Awards Committee, resulting to the following absorptive capacity. For 2019, 94%, 2021, 98%, and 2022, 98%. For police mobile forces and municipal police stations with mountainous terrain, 130 units personnel carrier 4x4. For the PNP Health Service, 44 units advanced life support ambulance. Winning bidder is Toyota Otis. For high-risk police stations, for police regional offices, 1,464 units, all-purpose vest, tactical vest level 3A with 2 upgrade plates level 4. Winning bidder is the joint venture of Aholtech Corporation and Jiangsu Zhongyi Special Fiber Company Limited. For the regional mobile forces, 212 units, 5.56 light machine gun Negev. For PNP-wide, 8,001 units of 9mm striker-fired pistol RX Delta. The winning bidder is Espinelli Trading. Sir, the vehicles and all-purpose vests are all ready for distribution, while the firearms will undergo ballistics prior to distribution. Life is beautiful. Kaligtasan yung sagot ko. Tulong-tulong tayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the presentation and blessing of the newly procured PMP equipment composed of 130 units personnel carrier 4x4, 41 units advanced life support ambulance, 1,464 units all-purpose vest, tactical vest level 3A with 2 upgrade plates level 4, 212 units of 5.56 mm light machine gun Negev, and 8,001 units of 9 mm striker-fired pistol RX Delta. The said new equipment were successfully procured by the NHQ Bids and Awards Committee, sourced from the funds of Capability Enhancement Programs 2029, 2019, 2021, and 2022, worth 761,219,682, and will be distributed to the following: the Personnel Carrier 4x4 Provincial Mobile Force Company and MPS with mountainous terrain, Advanced Life Support Ambulance, PMP Health Service, the All-Purpose Vest High-Risk Police Station of PROs, the 9mm striker-fired pistol RX Delta to the PMP-wide, and 5.56mm light machine gun Negev Regional Mobile Force Battalion. And this will immensely augment the police visibility and daily operations of the PMP personnel in order to maintain peace and order in their respective communities.
Laban Pinas.